We want to look at a few examples of pure mathematics circular measure. Example number 1. Question yakatorwa from a Cambridge paper which was written in June 1994. The question reads, the diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. The length of the arc is equal to half the perimeter of the sector. Find the area of the sector in terms of R. Saka question yedu iyi tichaiweka sei? Chekutanga chatichaita ndechekuti, if we look at the question, tiri kuona kuti there is a very important part of this question. Part yacho ndeiyi iri kutangira this full stop. Zviri kunzi izvo, the length of the arc is equal to half the perimeter of the sector. Saka tikada kuita mathematize this sentence, kureva kuti tikada kuinyora in mathematical terms, tinenge takuti isusu zvanzi izvo the length of the arc ndiyo zvakare inonzi arc length. Saka arc length is equal to half the perimeter of the sector. So half of what? Perimeter of sector. Perimeter of sector. Saka this sentence manje kana kuti statement ndiyo iri kutiudza kuti tichacalculata sei kana kuti tichasolva sei this question. Question yedu iri kuti find the area of the sector in terms of R. Saka chandoda kudzokorodza panapa ndechekuti statement iyi yakanzi the length of the arc is equal to half the perimeter of the sector taiita mathematize. So let me write it here. What we did is we mathematized it. To mathematize. Saka kuita mathematize kungoconverta a statement yakanyorwa in everyday language into mathematical terms. So arc length is equal to half the perimeter of the sector. Chatava kuda kuita panapa manje ndechekuti takuda kudefine kuti chii chinombonzi arc length. Saka mukadzokera ku lesson 9.0 takaisa a formula which is used to calculate the arc length, and we went a step further by deriving and proving that formula. Saka we are not going to do that in this exercise. Rather, we are going to quote the formula of arc length, which is what? R theta. Saka panapa, instead of kunyora arc length, takungoisa formula yacho R theta. This is equal to 1/2 of what? What is the perimeter of a sector? Saka chinonzi perimeter of a sector, tofanga kutanga understanda kuti what is perimeter. Saka takadzidza isusu kuti perimeter is actually distance right round. Saka this is actually a primary level definition, distance rakanongoti around. So perimeter is the distance right round a shape. Saka what we need is the perimeter of a sector. Saka kuti tiwane perimeter of a sector, what we are going to do is ngatidai so tinenge takuti isusu r rapa nditi plus r unoyu. Remember r yakamira radius, then plus what? Plus the arc length. Panapa the arc length. Saka tatangira pa this point kusvika pa this point, it's the radius. Kabva pa this point kuya pa this point, also the radius. Then the curvature, cannot this curve ndiochi? The arc length. This is the perimeter of a sector. Saka kana takuda kuinyora panapa manje tinenge takuti togona kuinyora yedu takati r plus arc length, but I think it's actually more conservative kana tikangonyora takati 2r. Saka tinoziva isusu kuti r plus r zvakafanana nekuti 2 times r. Saka instead of kunyora kuti r plus r, tanyora isusu kuti chi 2r. So 2r plus what is the arc length? r theta. Tadai so. Saka tatanga taita mathematize our sentence kana kuti statement iri mukati mequestion, then tobva tazoinyora in terms of my respective formulas. Ngatichimanipulate those formulas tione kuti tinosolva sei our question. Saka tina r theta is equal to half of 2r plus r theta. Zvachaita panapa tichati isusu r theta is equal to 1/2 of what? Saka apa ndabva ndaisa mabox brackets. Chandinoda kuita panapa manje ndechekuti ndiri kuda kuita factor out kana kuti ndinoda kufactorize this bracket. We have 2r plus r theta. Saka kana ndichida kuifactorize, what it means is ndichatsvaga a factor iri common muna 2r and r theta, and we can easily see kuti ndi r. Saka ndichaita factor out r, then mukati mebracket muchasara muina 2 plus theta. Why 2 plus theta? Because tikati r times 2 tinowana 2r, tikati r times theta tinowana r theta. Saka taita factorize this bracket and taita test if our factorization is correct by reversing the operation. Kuti r times 2 ndi 2r, then r times theta ndi r theta. So if you need a remembrance kana kuti if you need further elaboration on how to factorize, you can indicate in the comments section and I'll create a very short video or direct you to some other video yandakagadzira where I explained the concepts of factorization more clearly and more easily. Okay, tadai so much. Our next step ndeyekuti we need to clear the fractions. Saka in order for us to clear the fractions, tichauya ku right hand side tichamultiply na 2. Anditi. Saka since tamultiply na 2 ku right hand side, tichada kuita the same thing ku left hand side. Saka kuno kutoya zvakare to multiply na 2. Saka this dot is used for multiplication. Multiplication tinogona kushandisa this symbol for multiplication. Tinogona zvakare kushandisa mabrackets for multiplication kana kuti kushandisa a dot for multiplication. Saka panapa I chose kushandisa a dot for multiplication. Saka tikada kuisolva ku right hand side tichangoti 2 iyi yoita cancel out this 2. Then tikada kuzoisolva ku left inenge ichitipa iyo 2 r theta. Saka kunoku ku left hand side tawana 2 r theta is equal to, then 1 multiplying anything, it's that thing. Saka kumultiply na 1 kana kuti a unitary multiplication haina effect kureva kuti kunoku kuchadzoka kuri chi r 2 plus theta. Saka I hope manzwisisa kuti taita sei panapa. Tadai so manje chatiri kuda kuita panapa, we need to make theta the subject of formula. Saka our first step yatichaita ndeyekuti tichabvisa r unoyu by dividing both the left hand side and the right hand side with r. Saka tikadivide na r kuno todivide zvakare na r uku. Saka ma r aya akuchekana, in the same case ma r aya akuchekana, kureva kuti tasaura tiinani 2 theta iri equal to 2 plus theta. And since ma r achekana, saka r into r ndi 1, r into r ndi 1, then unitary multiplication haina effect. Saka kuno kutangonyora takati chi 2 plus theta. Tadaro manje takuda kungoita collect my like terms, kureva kuti ku left hand side kuna 2 theta. I theta i ikajamba our equal sign inochinja sign from a positive to a negative, kureva kuti kunoku inosvika iri minus theta, it's equal to 2. 2 theta minus theta theta, so theta is equal to 2. Taona kuti theta is going to be equal to 2. We solved for theta. Theta is equal to 2 radians. Patogona kuinyora yedu in mathematics, takati theta is equal to 2. Let us go back to our question. Tinoona ma-demands equation yedu. Question yedu iri kuti, find the area of the sector in terms of R. So how are we going to calculate the area of the sector? Saka isusu manje we know kuti the area of the sector, I advise you strongly kuti munyore maformula aya. They guide you in presenting your work more clearly and also guide you in your working. Kuti uweke zvakanaka unoda guidance yemaformulas aya. Saka whenever you are going to be working with a formula, you should write it down. Saka we know isusu from our previous lesson kuti the area of a sector is equal to half r squared theta. This is the area of a sector. But question yati in terms of R. So toda kutsvaka the area of the sector in terms of R. Kureva kuti we have to substitute for theta. So this is going to be equal to 1/2 r squared multiplying theta to a calculator. Taona kuti ndi 2 zapana pachaisa futani 2. Cheka this 2 into this 2 tinowana 1. Kureva kuti panapa tawana 1 times r squared times 1 which is r squared. Saka taanza question yedu. Question yati find the area of the sector in terms of R. Our answer is R squared. We have answered our question. If you have any questions pama wekero ataita this question, please indicate before taenda kunamwe ma questions. Because apparently my examples edu I think achaita increase in intensity. Saka kana usina kunzwisisa this question, ask quickly before Tata proceed to other examples. We are going to be working through 3 examples. Saka before we work through example number 2, kana usina kunzwisisa I beg, please quickly ask kuti tia address before you proceed to example 2, then to example number 3. Let us go on to example number 2. Saka example 2 manje iri kuita senga isunyatsokuoneka apa, saka ndokumbira kuti munyatsokutarisa. But example 2 iri kuti, in the diagram OCD is an isosceles triangle with OC being equal to OD, which is equal to 10 centimeters, and angle COD is equal to 0.8 radians. The points A and B on OC and OD respectively are joined by an arc of a circle with the center O and a radius of 6 centimeters. Part A, find the area of the shaded region, 3 marks. Part 2, so that was part 1. Part 2, the perimeter of the shaded region, 4 marks. Saka shaded region yedu yakarabika muquestion paper, but originally this was the shaded region. Saindo shaded region. Saka kuti tiiweke, let me reproduce zvakaita diagram redu iri. Diagram redu rakadai so ndo zvakaita shape yedu izvo. But manje panapa zvatakuda kuita manje, tikuda kusolva part 1. Part 1 iri kuti titsvage the area of the shaded region. Saka ngatitirei kunoku kune more space. Oro hatogona kuitira kunoku handi, no problem. Saka kuti titsvage the area of the shaded region tinoiwana sei? Saka panapa paroda kushanda logic, which is not complicated, it's not difficult to understand. Ngatiti isusu, especially in O level, taipiwa maexamples akadai so. Ngati we have a shape like this. The shape yatinayo, a rectangle. Then mukati me rectangle iyi mune a smaller rectangle. Then kunoku kubva kwadi pashadewa kunoku. Question ikati titsvage the area of the shaded part. Handiti taingoti isusu the area of the rectangle, outer rectangle, subtracting the area of the inner rectangle. Saka tikaona area ye-outer rectangle and then tosubtracta area ye-inner rectangle isiri shaded, tichawana chi? The area of the shaded. So this is the understanding, this is the reasoning yatoda kushandisa panapa. Kureva iko kuti tichanyora a statement iri kuti iyo area of shaded region, the area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle and the area of the triangle minus area of sector. Ndozvaichaita panapa. Saka area of triangle tirikuda area yetriangle yedu yese handiti, then tikasubtracta area yekasector kanaka tichawana chi? The area of the shaded region. Saka panapa manje hatichafanirwa kutinetsa, tinogona kudai so. Ngatichiuya kunoku. Saka takuziva this handiti, togona kuzitora tikazviisa kunoku todai so. Okay, saka takuda kudhila nepanapa. So tikati consider area of triangle. Consider area of triangle. Okay, ngatidai so zvakare. So this is our shape handiti. Saka toda kuziva isusu kuti area of triangle tinoiwana sei. Saka pa area of triangle, the most traditional and the most common formula used inoti half base times height. But height, remember, inenge iriyo a perpendicular height. And perpendicular height, this is the perpendicular line rather. It's a line which meets the horizontal plane at 90 degrees. Saka pa triangle yedu ish hatina a perpendicular height. Because of that, tichashandisa another formula of finding the area of a triangle. Formula iyi inoti iyo area of triangle iri equal to half of AB sin theta. Ndo yachashandisa half of AB sin theta. But tiri panapa we should understand kuti A na B malines anotipa the included angle theta. Saka kuti tiapply panapa tinenge takuti isusu consider area of triangle, it is going to be equal to area of triangle ichava equal to half of A yamburani. Saka A ndi 10, 6 plus 4. Saka half of 10. Then B angari futani 6 plus 4, which is also 10. Half of AB sine of what is theta 0.8. Remember kuti maradians. Kureva kuti calculator yedu tofanirwa kutogara taiisa kumaradians. Tofanirwa kuibvisa kumadegrees. Tofanirwa kumeka sure kuti haiisi kumagradients, but tova taiisa kupi? Kumaradians. Okay, saka kuisolva hakuchanetsi. Chati 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 10 ndi 5. Saka kureva kuti area of a triangle yedu ichava 5 times 10, which is 50 sine of 0.8. We now need to find out kuti ndiani. Saka go to your calculator and calculate 50 times sine 0.8, making sure kuti calculator yako haisi kumadegrees, iri kumaradians. Saka pataisa mucalculator, kada kuisa to 3 decimal places, tinowana 35,868. Saka this is going to be the area of the triangle. Okay? Todzika pazasi takuti isusu consider the area of sector. Consider the area of sector. So again, we need our shape here. So area of sector, takadzidza in our previous lesson, kuti it's given by this formula, half of what? R squared theta. So half of R squared theta. But this is going to be our sector. Saka tikada kureplace R na theta, tinenge tina half of our radius ndi 6. So 6 squared, then theta yedu aran 0.8 radians. Saka panapa yatova chi half of then dot multiplication 6 squared ndi 36 dot 0.8. 2 into 2 ndi 1 into 3 ndi 1, then 1, 2 into 16 18. Can multiply 18 times 0.8, which we can do here or not do it because tine calculator. A level, advanced level, pure mathematics, tinotendera kupinda necalculator for both paper 1 and paper 2. We are going to get 1.4. So 1.4 is going to be the area of the sector. Tadaro manje takudzokera ku our general statement. Area of shaded region is given by area of triangle minus area of sector. Saka area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of sector, of which area of triangle tawana irichi 35.858 minus area of sector tawana iri 1.4. Tikaisa calculator tichi subtracta zvinhu tinowanani. Saka panapa tichawana 21.5 square centimeters since iri area. Saka answer yedu tinenge takuti it's approximately equal to this. Saka kuti approximately equal tinenge tichiva mathematically accurate and technical, rather kungoti our answer is equal to 21.5 square centimeters. It's equally a correct answer. Saka kana tadaiso tatopedza. Let us go to the second part of our question. Second part iri kuda kuti titsvage the perimeter of the shaded region. Saka takuda kutsvaga perimeter of shaded region. Shaded region. Saka the perimeter of the shaded region is going to be equal to AC, kubva pa this point kusvika pana C, AC plus CD, C kusvika pana D plus DB, kubva pana D kuenda pana B plus BAE panapa. Zvakadai so. Saka this is going to give us the distance right round the shaded region. Saka tikada replace panapa AC ndi 4 centimeters plus CD hatisi kumuziya, toti plus DB ndi 4, toti plus then BA hatizi kumuziya. Saka takuda kutsvaga nzira yekutsvaga CD nenzira yekutsvaga BA. Saka tieta kuti consider CD. Kuti tiwane CD, tiri kuona isusu, maybe let me take a detour panapa. Saka detour yandoda kutora ndeyekuti kucalculate masides nema-angles ema-triangles depends on whether a triangle is right angled kana kuti it's non-right angled. And kana triangle iri right angled, ndipo panoshanda chi? The Pythagorean kana kuti Pythagoras theorem. Ndo painoshanda. Kana kuti ndo panoshanda anonzi trigonometrical ratios, trig ratios, anowanzo kuidentifyiwa as chashotawo, but vamwe vanoidzidza iri SOHCAHTOA. By the way, we have a video inoexplainer matrig ratios aya. You can check it in our YouTube channel. Kana ari non-right angled triangles, ndo panowanzo kushanda the sine rule kana kuti the cosine rule. This is actually O-level stuff, saka you can decide to go and revisit sine rule cosine rule. So panapa we can clearly see that this is not a right angled triangle. Saka in order for us to find the side of CD, zvatichaita, we are not going to be using either matrix ratios or the Pythagoras theorem because it's a non-right angle triangle. Tichashandisa either sine rule kana kuti cosine rule. But we cannot use the sine rule because sine rule requires we have two included angles kuti ishande. Why am I saying so? Because sine rule inoti iyo sine of A over A is equal to sine of B over B, which is also equal to sine of C over C. Saka kuti ishande manje teta kudi takuseparata, maybe toda kutsvaga A, so we require to have angle A, angle B neside B. Saka panapa manje isusu we only have one included angle, which is 0.8 radians. Saka we are automatically going to be using what? The cosine rule. Saka let me demonstrate with cosine rule inofamba sei, then we apply it pakutsvaga zvatiri kuda kutsvaga. Saka cosine rule manje inoti kudini? Ngatiti tine a non-right angled triangle yakaita so. We have an included angle A ne corresponding side A. Then panapa it's B and panapa it's C. Saka kana chida kutsvaga manje side A anditi. Saka we have a cosine rule inenge ichiita make subject of formula a side. Yatoshandisa kutsvaga a side. We also have a cosine rule which is used to kutsvaga an angle, but I'm going to demonstrate with the cosine rule yekutsvaga a side because I think it's easier to internalize. Saka takadai so manje tiri kuti isusu A, this is going to be the formula A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A. And okay, kangoisa ese. Saka included angle panapa inenge iri chi? Inenge iri C muhombe. Saka nachida kutsvaga C uyu teta kuti isusu chi? C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. Then panapa this included angle inenge iri B muhombe. Saka kana chida kutsvaga this B teta kuti chi? B squared iri equal to iri equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Saka this is assumed knowledge. I'm not going to dwell much upon it. You can go back to your ordinary level mathematics and redo the cosine rule, or rather request kuti muda a further elaborate explanation of the cosine rule, and I will explain it in another video. Saka tato demonstrate what cosine rule inofamba sei panapa. Let us apply it. Saka toda kuiapply in what context? Tiri kuda kutsvaga CD. Saka CD unoyu tengeta kuti isusu CD squared handiti iri equal to, rakandinyorera formula ndozo replace. Saka CD squared iri equal to OC squared and plus OD squared minus 2 multiplying OC times OD cos of what? Of CD. I hope ndakukuconfuse panapa. That should say in context. Saka CD squared iri equal to OC into 10, so it's 10 squared plus then panapa OD anenge ari futi 10, so it's 10 squared minus then OC times OD ndi 10 times 10 cos of then angle CD kana kuti angle iri pana O panapa ndiani ndi 0.8 radians. Remember your calculator should be in radians. Saka panapa tikada kuchisolva tiri kuti isusu CD squared iri equal to 10 squared ndi 100. So 100 plus 10 squared 100 minus handiri. So vatati 2 10 times 10 ndi 100 cos 0.8. So this is going to be equal to CD squared is equal to 200 minus 200 cos 0.8. Kana tichida isusu kuti tisare tina CD kuno, we are going to introduce the square root. Saka maybe you need to understand why it introduce a square root. I will explain in a few. Saka to introduce a futi ku right hand side to balance the equation. So the reason why tichi introduce a square root ingori nawo yekuti kana chiti the square root of a tikati the square root of a zvakafanana kuti a to the power 1 half. Saka kana tichida kubvisa ka power half ticha multiply na power 2 kuitira kuti ma2 achekane. Kureva kuti zvataita kuno uku izvi ndo zvinenge zvichingodi zvichitwa kuno uku. It's quite easy. Okay. Saka tadaro manje, what is going to be our answer? CD ichava equal to chi. You insert this into your calculator. Answer ichawana panapa ndi 7,788. Ndangoisa hangu to 3 decimal places, but wewe kana uchiiweka, in order for you to respect the degree of accuracy, wangoita input answer yese inoappear in your calculator. So this is going to be what? CD. Okay. Ngatidzokei kuno uku. Saka tiri kutsvaga perimeter of a shaded region. CD taona kuti inowanikwa sei? Takudani? Takuda BA. So BA yakamira sei? Saka chaya panapa toti consider BA. Saka BA tikaitarisisa tichaona kuti i-arc length. BA i-arc length. And the formula inoshanda for arc length ndi r theta. Saka r ndiani? R ndi 6, ko theta ndiani? Ndi 0.8. Saka we just have to multiply 6 times 0.8. 8 times 6, that's 48, 1. Kureva kuti panapa, our final answer is going to be equal to what? 4,8. Saka tawana ma missing sides edu, BA na CD. Saka remember kuti tanga tichitsvaga chi? Perimeter of shaded region. Ngati tunoiwana tati isusu AC plus CD plus DB plus BA, of which AC na DB zvanga zvakapiwa kudhara. Saka panapa tichangoti this is going to be equal to 4 plus CD tawana answer iri chigara zviya 7,788. 7,788 plus 4 again, then plus 4,8. Saka iyi manje iyi tika add 4 plus 7,788 plus 4 plus 4,8, our final answer is going to be, to the nearest 1 decimal place, our answer is going to be 46,2 centimeters, the final answer. Saka ndo mawekera tunoita example number 2. I hope kuti mainzwisisa. Let us go to example number 3. Example number 3 taken from Cambridge, June 1997. Iri kuti, the diagram shows a semicircle APB on AB's diameter. The midpoint of AB is O. The point P on the semicircle is such that the area of the sector POB is equal to twice the area of the shaded segment. Given that angle POB is theta radians, show that 3 theta is equal to 2 bracket pi minus sin theta. Saka shaded part yedu yakaita kakudzimika, but mukatarisisa muchaona kuti this is going to be the shaded part. Okay, saka let us dissect this question. Question iyi example 3 ine kakufanana neexample number 1. Saka you might need to make sure kuti you understand example number 1 before you attempt example number 3. Saka we also have a statement here. Statement muno riri kuti kudini? Statement muno riri kuti the point P on the semicircle is such that the area of sector, the area of sector POB is equal to twice the area of the shaded segment. Then given that angle POB is theta radians, we should show that 3 theta is equal to 2 bracket pi minus sin theta. Saka panapa tichaita sei? Zvatichaita ndezvekuti we have to write down this statement but in mathematical terms. Saka tichati isusu area of sector POB is equal to twice, 2 times the area of the shaded segment. Area of shaded segment. This is our statement. Okay, ngatimbotarisai shape iyi, maybe let us reproduce it. Saka our shape yakadai so, it's a semicircle. Then we have a point A and a point B as our diameter. Then tine line rino iri rinobata pa this point which is P, robva radzoka pa center which is O. Then here it's theta radians. This is the shaded region, cannot shaded segment. Okay, saka I think this will be all. We need our shape here kuti tiite takaitarisa. Saka kana takuda kunyora maformulas manje, area of sector POB inenge iri equal to chi. We know that the area of a sector is given by half r squared theta. Saka tatonyora kuchi ku left hand side, half r squared theta. This is going to be equal to 2 multiplying takuisa ma boxed brackets zvanzi izvo area of shaded segment. Saka area of shaded segment tinoiwana sei? The area of the shaded segment tinoiwana taita sei? Area ye shaded segment tinoiwana calculate firstly the area of this sector. Saka ndiise in yellow. Saka the area of this sector ish. Kawana area ye sector ino I tobva tai subtractor from ka triangle kana akaka. Tikangodaro chete tinenge tato calculate the area of this shaded segment. But we should remember pataka introduce ma radians takataura isusu kuti 360 degrees iri equal to 2 pi rad. Tika calculate zvakare kuti pi iri equal to 180 degrees. Kureva kuti on a straight line kana panapa iri theta zvoreva kuti angle iri mukati munomu ndiani? Ndi pi minus theta. Ganzokorodze. A straight line gives 180 degrees and 180 degrees is equal to pi in terms of radians. Saka kana panapa tina theta mukati umu tinani? Tina pi minus theta. Zvazviri kureva manje ndezvekuti tati isusu maybe ngatidai so, ngatingoinyora sezvairi panapa kuti area of shaded segment kuti tiibvise then tobva taiconsider separately. I think this will be wise. Saka takudzika panapa takuti consider area of shaded segment and consider the area of the shaded segment. Saka area of shaded segment tatinowana kwasei? Tinoiwana isusu tati area of sector. Saka rikaingoisa kashape kakadai so area of sector kuitira space, but muexam unogona kutonyora, please nyora kutoti area of sector minus area of triangle. Handiti? Saka panapa area of sector tatinowanikwa sei? Inowanikwa as half of r squared, then angle yedu manje ndiani? Pi minus theta. Andika? Subtracting area of triangle tichashandisa iya yatashandisa kuexample 1/2 of ab sin theta, kureva kuti panapa inenge iri half of a ndiani. Saka kuti tizive kuti a ndiani tofanira kuziva kuti this is the center. Saka kana iri center, kubva pacenter kunobata pacircumference iradius, apa iradius. Saka this is going to be half of radius times radius, which is radius squared sine of the sine of pi minus theta, remember, which is this angle. Saka tati half of r squared pamusana pekuti a na b ndi r na r. Saka r times r ndiani? Ndi r squared. Saka this is going to be the area of the shaded segment. Saka kana takudzokera manje kustatement redu riya ratambonyora panapa, takuti isusu chi half of r squared theta, which is the area of sector POB, iri equal to 2 multiplying, then manje area of shaded segment yatanga tambobvisa panapa ichi takuinyora sezvairi half of r squared pi minus theta subtracting half of r squared sine of pi minus theta, kakadai so. Saka tiri panapa manje kunoku ku left ichangodzoka iri half of r squared theta iri equal to chi, then panapa manje takuda kuita twitch nekumanipulata toona kuti zvomira sei. Saka zvachaita panapa manje tichati isusu 2 acharamba ari kunze, totarisa mukati, toona manje kuti we have something which is common. Saka pazvinhu zvedu zviri common, half r squared iri common, because panapa tine 2 terms. Handiri? Regai ndiise minus inoishi ino iri kuseparata materms ine different color kuti tinyatsokuona kuti really tine 2 terms. Our first term ndi half r squared bracket pi minus theta. Our second term ndi half r squared sine of bracket pi minus theta. Saka tikatarisa ma 2 terms edu tiri kuona kuti we have a common factor. Common factor yedu ndiani? Ndi half r squared. Saka half r squared bracket pi minus theta, andika, subtracting sine of what? Pi minus theta. Yakunyorwa yakadai so. Mapaona? Saka kana zvadaro hazvichanetsi, zvoreva kuti 2 ino iyi yakwanisa kuchekana nechi ne2e. Saka half r squared theta yava equal to r squared toisa maboxed brackets tobva taisa isusu pi minus theta minus sine of what? Pi minus theta, todai so. And saka e2 yakwanisa kuchekana ne2e nepamusana pekuti mukati meziboxed bracket mangova neproduct. Saka kufactorize uku ndokwaita kuti zvive possible. Dei tanga tisina kufactorize zvaigona kuapply, but handisi kuda kutombotaura izvozvo because my duty is not to confuse you, my duty is to educate you. Saka kufactorize kwakakosha, kwatibatsira panapa. Alright, tadaro manje hatifangu kurasika paquestion yedu. Question iri kuda kuti tiite show that 3 theta iri equal to 2 bracket pi minus sin theta, kureva kuti ku left hand side toda kusara tina theta, toda kusara tine a term in theta. Saka motivated by that, zviri kureva kuti kunoku we should find ways dzekubvisa r squared what kuti tingosara tinani tina theta. Kuti tidaro manje hazvitinetsi because takungoclear mafractions. Takumultiplya kunoku na2 tomultiply futi kunoku nani na2 2 uyu ocheka unoyu tosara tinani r squared theta iri equal to 2r squared then boxed bracket rodzoka rakadaro pi minus theta minus sin of what pi minus theta rakadai so. Then panapa manje r squared iyi yakuchekana nechi ner squared ino ichi and tangodivide both the left and the right with r squared kureva kuti tasarwa tinani tina theta iri equal to 2 bracket then panapa manje takukwanisa isusu kuti chi tangonyora pi minus theta minus sin of what pi minus theta. Zvatakuda kuita panapa manje ndezvekuti takuda kuemploya anonzi matrig identities. Saka matrig identities ku A level anenge ari padatasheet kana kuti paformula booklet ratinopiwa ratinopinda naro muexamination kureva kuti we are not required kumakrema, we are just required to familiarize ourselves with that formula booklet kuitira kuti tizive kuti zvinhu zvinowanikwa papi. Saka panapa manje muchaona nemakaitiri kudaro consider sin of pi minus theta and tikaenda kudata booklet kwedu tinonodzidza isusu kuti kana tiina sin of a minus b trig identity rapa rinenge richiti iro chi sin of a and sin a robva rati cos b minus cos a sin b. Saka iri itrig identity rimudata booklet redu ndo ratinoda kuaplya panapa. Saka kana takuriaplya tiringoona isusu kuti a yedu ndiyochi ndiyo pi, saka ngatizvinyore nedifferent color a iri equal to chi to pi and b yedu iri chi iri iyo theta. Saka tangosubstituta panapa zvoreva izvo kuti sin of pi minus theta is equal to sin of pi cos theta minus cos pi sin theta. And alright, saka panapa this is equal to what is the sin of pi? Mukaenda mucalculator yenyu remember kuti inofanirwa kuva kumaradians. Sin of pi ndi 0 saka tina 0 cos theta minus what is the cos of pi? Cos of pi ndi minus 1 saka ndi minus 1 kunoku sin theta. Saka we know kuti any number multiplied by 0 ndi 0 kureva kuti panapa tichasarwa tinani tina minus times minus ndi 1 it's a positive, saka kunoku tichangosarwa tinani tina sin theta. Saka sin of pi minus theta iri equal to sin theta kana tikaaplya matrig identities. Remember trig identity tinoriwana muformula booklet. Saka tadai so manje tinenge takuita sei? Tinenge takudzosa expression ratanyora iri kuti theta iri equal to 2 bracket pi minus theta minus sin pi minus theta. Takuinyora isusu takati theta iri equal to 2 bracket then panapa takunongozvibuditsa bracket yova iyo pi minus theta anditi then minus sin pi minus theta tatinenge richi tika apply matrig identities inenge ingori sin theta takadai so. Ndo zvazvakuitwa izvi anditi. Saka mukati memabrackets amusovheki pamusana pekuti mukati memabrakets amusolveki tinenge takuita sei? Tinenge takuti isusu theta iri equal to 2 times pi and 2 pi, 2 times minus theta ndi minus 2 theta, and 2 times minus sin theta ndi minus 2 sin theta. Saka takuendesa temu theta kuti ingova kuno uku, saka theta iyo ikajamba equals sin, remember inochinja its arithmetic sign, saka theta iri theta plus 2 theta from negative to a positive iri equal to chi? To 2 pi minus 2 sin theta. Sa theta plus 2 theta ndiyani? Ndi 3 theta. 3 theta iri equal to 2 pi minus 2 sin theta. Panapa manje takuti chi? 3 theta it's equal to, tikafactor out 2 chasara tina 2 pi minus sin theta. So is this what we are expected? Kadzokera question yedu yati 3 theta, yati show that 3 theta is equal to 2 bracket pi minus sin theta, which is here 3 theta is equal to 2 bracket pi minus sin theta. Saka kana tatsuna kudai so tatora mamarks ese toya panapa toisa bracket tova tati John. Saka tinge tatopedza question yedu iyi. Ish, tatoi answer, we have shown what we were expected to show. Saka chiripo panapa ndechekuti pandaitaura paipa ndichiti maths idzi dziri multifaceted kana kuti dziri layered. Tinoapply maprinciples akasiyana. Pane imwe question kana kuti imwe example yataita yataapply the cosine rule. This example taapply ma-trig identities. Saka maths idzi you should always remember kuti hatishandisi intuition. Usatarisira kuitarisa ubva watoziva kuti ingawekwa sei. Tinoshandisa procedure, dziri procedural. Saka just follow the process completion, making sure kuti you are following all mathematical principles available to your disposal. Ukadaro kunyange chero ukasasvika pafinal answer, because amwe maquestions ekuita show aya unogona kutadza kusvika pafinal answer, unogona kugaka, which I suspect kuti vazhinji vedu vanogakira panapa pakusaziva kuti tofanirwa kuapply chi trig identity. Unotowanawo 2 marks or 1 mark kana question yedu yanga ine 6 marks unogona kuwanawo 3 marks etc. Saka the goal in advanced level mathematics hakusi kusvika paanswer but kuita show all working as much as possible to afford to gain as many marks as possible pane any particular question. So this is my advice kana muchiweka ma-questions aya, musamafunduka but just try to follow the procedures as they come. Saka now we have a homework which we want you to write. That homework has 3 questions, and let me take you to the homework. So this is going to be our homework. Question number 1 yakatorwa from November 2002. Then this is ZIMSEC O-level additional mathematics. Saka imi munongonyora kuti number 1 monyora kuti November 2002, monyora kuti ZIMSEC O-level additional mathematics. And saka ignore panapa, ignore katikofa kanti. Saka 1a iri kuti a section of a railway track is a circular arc of length 50 meters and radius 300 meters. Find the angle through which the direction of the track turns. And a section of a railway track is a circular arc of length 50 meters and radius 300 meters. Find the angle through which the direction of the track turns. Saka do not do A. Tichazoita ish. It does not satisfy zvatirikubva kudzidza. Saka you are going to do B yacho yakanzi. The diagram above shows the cross section of a tunnel which has the shape of a segment of a circle O. The radius of the circle is 2 meters and the size of the angle POQ is pi over 6 radians. Calculate the perimeter of the cross section 4 marks. Saka iyi munoiita iyi. A chord AB of length 8A is drawn in a circle of radius 12A. The tangents to the circle at A and B meet at C. Find the area enclosed by CBC and the minor arc AB moita futi each. Saka here we are going to take 10 marks. So this is number 1. Number 2, the diagram shows a sector OAB of a circle center O in which angle AOB is 120 degrees. Show that arc of sector OAB over area of triangle OAB is equals to 4 pi over 3 and root 3. Munoita foot. Find the exact value of the length of arc AB, length of chord AB, munoita foot. Saka here it's 6 marks. Tapa 16. November 1996. In the diagram, OAB is a sector of a circle with center O and radius R. The point A is the midpoint of OQ and angle OQB is 20, is actually 2 pi. Then OBQ, it's half of pi plus theta. By using the sakapan 2 theta, by using the sine rule, show that sine theta is what? Munoitai. Then the area in square centimeters of the sector OAB is numerically equal to the perimeter in centimeters of sector. Find R. Unoita zvakare. Saka here we are going to be considering 6 marks. Saka panapa it's 6 plus 6 to make 12 and plus 10 to make 23. Again, it's going to be weighted out of 25 marks. Crowd, we are going to guarantee 3 free marks. So nongoitwa in your final papers where you have 20 free marks. So this is going to be our homework. I'm going to send you the document of the homework. But make sure that before you do the homework, you understand examples 1, 2, and 3. I would actually advise that after maona ma video aya working through, of course, chimbo dzimai phone laptop pamunoonera, take a paper and try to work again my examples aya usina kutarisa kuti zvaitwa sei. When you are satisfied with wagona my examples aya, then you come to the homework and you attempt it. Kana muine pamagaka pamusina kunyatsonzwisisa, I'm always available to help. So this is all I have to say. Remember, you have to ask. This is a learning curve. Do not shy away from asking. And if you have been helped by this lesson, thank you for your attendance. Take care.